Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on CheapOair, which is an online travel agency through which you can get good deals on airline tickets, hotels, and car rentals. In July-August 2019, I visited Melbourne, Australia, and I booked my flight tickets via CheapOair. Initially I was skeptical, but after checking with a close friend who has used CheapOair many times, I decided to book my flight tickets with them, and I'm happy I did. I created a separate tutorial on how to book a flight ticket online, so feel free to check it out. But in this video, I'll do a brief review on CheapOair. Well, first of all, the website is legit. I had no issues with my flight tickets to and from Melbourne. When booking my flight ticket, the overall process was fairly simple to follow. Just make sure to check all the flight details and information, including the terms and conditions. You may also want to check the flight cancellation fees. Bear in mind that CheapOair charges a service fee, which varies depending on several factors. That being said, you can get promo codes that can help reduce the service fees. I booked my flight kind of last minute, so the cost was a bit higher, but still a good deal. Ideally, I would suggest booking flight tickets 2 to 3 months in advance and regularly checking deals on their website. You can set up deal alerts via your CheapOair account. Also, CheapOair has a price match promise, which may help you get the best deal possible. In fact, you can use this aggregator website called Skyscanner. Check the link in the description section, where you can compare ticket prices from various online travel agencies. And you can then contact CheapOair to see if they can match that price. While booking your flight tickets on CheapOair, you may see several optional insurance offers for travel protection, travel assist and flexible tickets, support package upgrade, and others. But you can skip through these if you're already covered. In fact, many credit card companies provide similar coverage as part of their benefits. CheapOair also has a rewards or loyalty program through which you can collect reward points. These reward points can be redeemed towards booking a hotel room, for example. If you're going to use CheapOair to book your flight ticket, consider using my affiliate link in the description section. It's not going to cost you any more, but it'll help me get a small commission. Thank you kindly. You can check this tutorial on how to book a flight ticket online on CheapOair. Well, hope you found this brief CheapOair review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.